So beautiful people, our soup is ready. This is nice, delicious. So I want to take it down. This is our delicious food soup. So beautiful people, thank you very much. Subscribe for more video like this. Thank you very much. Mwah! Mwah! Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking for this video. If you are watching me for the first time, thank you very much. God bless you. Help me to subscribe, share, like, comment, press the notification bell to all. For those who have already subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Thank you for the nice comments. God bless you. So in this video, we want to prepare our Nigeria Egusi spinach. Okay, so follow me as I want to prepare this food. Thank you very much. So this is my crayfish. I have my melon here, egusi. So this is turkey berry. So this is my pepper, fresh cod bonnet, and spring onion. So this is my fish. This is mackerel fish with meat, chicken, cow skin. So I have my red oil here. This is my spinach. This is bitter leaf. So this is my locust beans. I have my salt and seasoning cubes here. So follow me as I want to prepare this food. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Press that red button. I want to boil the meat. This is turkey berry. This is locust beans. So I want to cut the spinach. Bitter leaf. Beautiful people, our meat is ready, so I want to take it down. This is red oil. Salt. So I want to put the spinach and bitter leaf. Subscribe, press that red button, help me to subscribe for more video. Thank you very much. You want to eat? Come in. My baby want to eat. So beautiful people, our soup is ready. This is nice. This is turkey berry with spinach and egusi. So beautiful people, our soup is ready. This is nice, delicious. So I want to take it down. This is our delicious food soup. So beautiful people, thank you very much. Subscribe for more video like this. Thank you very much. Mwah! Mwah! Delicious food though. Wow. We are going to take this soup with eba, swallow. Watch out for our next video. Delicious food. Mwah!